Hi everyone, it's Connie from Raleigh Custom Homes. Welcome to 4300 Camelot. Come on in and let's look at this private oasis. Before we dive in, one of my favorite things about this home is its location. You're just steps away from North Hills, and I mean it. It's just right across the street from some of the best shopping and dining that Raleigh has to offer. But when you step inside, all of the noise and the liveliness of the city just fades away. I love these monolithic glass windows. It just feeds this natural light right into this living area. We have 11-foot ceilings here that makes the space just feel very spacious, but at the same time, it feels very cozy. This kitchen fits so beautifully in this open floor plan. I love the way that we've taken these beautiful cabinets all the way up, and you had just so much storage. It has a great display lidded area there. The Sub-Zero refrigeration and freezer are its own unit, but we've done such a good job of really concealing it behind this beautiful cabinetry. And then the 60-inch Wolf range is a display all of itself. But what I think is one of the most special things is the way we've done these double islands. They're both a quartz countertop with waterfall edges, and then right over here is this special unobstructed, oversized island that sets up perfectly if you are entertaining, you have something being catered. But I think what I envision is I see people at Christmas time or at Thanksgiving utilizing this. The whole family can get around this kitchen so easily. I just love it. A unique thing I think that we did here was this wraparound scullery. It has another refrigerator, a dishwasher, a prep sink, so if you're catering, it is perfect for that. And we added in this gigantic chalkboard so you can make your grocery list, the kids can write on it. To me, this is just the cherry on top. One thing I forgot to mention, that this home was a gold winner in the Parade of Homes with 3 perfect scores, and that's just unheard of. Let's head on into the primary suite. This is your retreat. Can you imagine waking up in the morning with this being your view, with these monolithic glass windows that let in all this natural light? It truly is a retreat. The primary bath has a true spa feeling. Very relaxing, very serene. It has an oversized soaker tub, double vanities. My favorite feature is the large steam shower. So of course, Control4 ties this all together. It's a home automation system that literally can control everything. The security, the HVAC, your lighting, the shades, the pool equipment, the phantom screens. The list is endless, and I probably have forgotten the rest of it. There's so many special features about this second floor. It has 3 beautiful, unique bedrooms, all with cathedral ceilings. It has a gym, a second floor laundry. There's a beautiful oversized bonus room with a wet bar and its own half bath. So we've saved the best for last. This is what makes this home an oasis. So the list of features is endless, but I don't want to forget that this is a heated saltwater pool. This cabana has a full bath, so when you're entertaining, it's just right here at your fingertips. It has phantom screens, Infratech heaters that you can completely close off with a pocket door that leads back into the home. That is perfect when you're entertaining, especially in North Carolina with our climate. I obviously could talk about this home all day long, but what we did with this home on this lot and this location, steps away from everything happening in North Hills, I think we just knocked it out of the park. Thanks for visiting 4300 Camelot with me today. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did too. See you soon.